Alright guys, we are back with another Aldi's haul, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all the things that we got. And we are kind of sort of a type of family that likes to just get what we run out of and things that we like the most. We don't try too much stuff, but you know, like I told you, we're going to journey off and start getting a little bit of new things and try to remove a lot of the snacky snacks that are not good. And what I want to do is, because I bake and I bake well, do more baked goods from home versus a lot of processed baked goods. So I'm going to slowly but surely do better with that. So you guys will see that. So we got 2 sugars, some green tea, some yogurt, vanilla yogurt, and we like to use this for smoothies and also use that to put like granola and stuff in. We have some ranch, we have some sour cream, we have cheese, which is Monterey sharp, yellow, mild sharp, and sharp. And we have, mild sharp cheddar, and we have sharp cheddar. I don't think I'm saying that right. Y'all know what I mean. Yellow and mild sharp cheddar. Yeah. So we also have some Slim Jims. Rizzy loves these. We have some croissants, and I'm going to show you how to make a semi-homemade thingy with those croissants. It's something that Rizzy and them likes to make, so it may be on her channel. I don't know. We have some all-purpose flour here. We ran out of that. We have almond milk, and we ran out of this a lot because I'm always baking. We got some squash. My hubby wanted some squash. We got some string cheese. I was going to say string. We got string cheese. We got some mild cheddar for sandwiches, and also some corn kernels, and we have 3 bags of those. Rizzy wanted these for her lunch box, and then we have some grapes for a lunch box. And I love Cocoa Puffs. That's one of my favorite cereals. And this is something I haven't never seen at Aldi's, and it was $1.49. So I scooped it up, and hopefully it tastes good. Then we have barbecue chips, which everybody loves except for me. I don't really care for these as much, but I love the wavy ones. And then we have some green beans, some mushrooms. We have 2 mandarins in 100% juice, and then we also have 2 peaches, and those are for Rizzy's lunch boxes. My husband had a taste for some corned beef, so we got that. We got some black beans for some Mexican recipes. You probably would have seen these. I don't know when I'll be able to put this haul up, but I don't know. These are going to be in some Mexican dishes that I'm going to be sharing with you. We got some Honeycrisp apples. We have some hot sauce from Taco Bell for our tacos. We got the mild and we got the hot. We needed some more crushed garlic, so we got that. These were only $1.08. These were from Walmart. Those are not from Aldi's. And we got some cumin from Walmart, and my husband wanted some sardines and some oysters, so we have those. We have some heavy whipping cream, which is also something that my daughter likes to use in her smoothies. I wanted some of these because these are so good, and I know I have a problem with sweets, so I'm trying to do a little better. So I grabbed those, and I always bake, as I said, so I got to keep butter on deck. And then I have these, which we end up buying these when they didn't have butter one time, and it wasn't bad. Not something that I would say I want to use all the time, but for certain bacon you can use it, and it was not bad. I didn't see a major difference, and it's much cheaper. But definitely when I do seafood and stuff, I gotta have this. And when I do like pound cakes and certain different desserts, I definitely want to go with the regular butter, but then there are certain ones that you can kind of improvise because the buttery taste is not something that you're looking for, like a brownie or something. It's okay. Then we have some cuties for a lunchbox. My daughter's friend said these were really good, so we're going to try these and see if the kids like them. And then my husband loves orange juice with the pulp, and I love it with the pulp in it as well, so we have that. And then over here, we have, hold on, let me see, over here, we have, oh, why did I, my camera, whatever. We have 2 loaves of honey wheat bread, and these are $1.49. I remember when these were only 89 cents. The stuff is just going up. And we discovered that it's cheaper to buy our wings from Aldi's because it's $23.99 for a 10-pound bag at Sam's, and these all together is 12 pounds, and it ended up being 2 pounds over, and we're paying the same price. So we just get the 3 bags from here. And what I like about all these wings, guys, is they're not huge. They're the regular size. They don't look like they're injected with all these steroids and all that crazy crap. So if you don't know that, they have the regular size wings, like the wings we used to have when we were young. Yeah, not the wings that look like hawk wings. So that is up. what we have, and we have some hash browns, and we have another bottle of virgin olive oil, and we go through that so much. So I'm thinking about going back to getting a big one from Sam's, but I'm gonna have to do the numbers as far as ounces versus cents and see if it's better to buy it from here or from Sam's. So that is our haul, and this was about it was $108 for everything that I just showed you. So all right guys, talk to you later, and thumbs up for more grocery hauls. And it's time for me to put this stuff away. If you like seeing me put it up, let me know that as well in the comments. Later gators. If you were looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.